Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna go back to the what we call the transfer technique, which means that we're gonna put something on our canvas. This time we're gonna do a pouring, dirty pouring, a flip cup. We're gonna do on our canvas. Then we're gonna put some transfer on it. You're gonna see, because it's fall, so I didn't want to do something which is in the same way, the same thing as fall. So you're gonna see, we're gonna reproduce some leaf, but we're gonna do it the abstract way and the pouring way. So you're gonna see, I think it's interesting. I think it's a required taste, because it's not for everyone, but we're gonna do it something that is a bit like a negative. It's gonna be low profile, you know. It won't be very bright colors, because I don't want to reproduce the look of fall with the leaf and everything, because I want to stay abstract. So we're going to see what happens, and well, come back at the end for so that we can talk about it. So let's see what happens. Well guys, I think we have a great result. I think it's nice. It's a nice change from what we're used to do. I think it's a good abstract between reality and like I said, the abstract world. I think it's like we talked before, I think it's a bit like a negative. It's a bit like upside down what we're used to see in real life. So I think it's quite nice. As you saw, it took me a few days to complete this canvas because I had to wait, of course, between everything that I do, that it would dry up. So I think, like I say, it's very, very demanding because just cutting the leaf on the paper, it's crazy. It took me almost an hour just to do all of them. So I think it's quite a lot of work. I think it's nice. I'm not sure. I'm going to be frank with you. I'm not sure it's worth all the work that's involved that way. I think it's nice, but I think, well, if you want a subject of fall and doing it abstract style, I think is the best way to go. But to do a transfer of image, I think maybe choose something bigger, then it's going to be less work, and I think it's going to have the same impact. So, well, if you like fall, not like me because I don't, so it's going to be something that I won't hang on my wall all year round, that's for sure. It's going to be on my wall only for a couple of months a year. Even then, I'm not sure. Maybe it's going to stay in the closet. I don't know yet. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to try it though, because like I say, you can try the transfer technique, but if you don't like the subject, well, you do the same thing, but with other things. So you can put an angel and do something. Anyway, you can do another thing. I think you can do theme depending on what you, for Christmas as an example, for the holidays, you can do something special with it. So I don't know, maybe it's something that you can give as a gift. That would be nice also. So like I said, I hope you enjoy, and thank you for coming back time after time, and I hope you're gonna come back every time, that's for sure. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys.